everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video I am going to show you how you can create an account on tagged application. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, simply open your tagged application. Now you can either continue with Google and create an account, or you can also go with other options such as Facebook, email or Apple. Here I am going with email. Enter your email on first row. Type a password that is strong enough for your account. Provide your name. Also provide your date of birth. Select your gender. Select your ethnicity. Select your country. You can either select it by scrolling down or tap on search icon on the top right corner of your screen. Type the name of your country. Tap on the name of your country. Enter the name of your city. Tap on the name of your city. And finally tap on create account. Tap on accept terms. So we will be taken to this page where we need to verify our account, and here it says we need to click on the link that has been sent to our email or enter the confirmation code. So for that we will need to open our mail. As you can see, email has been sent by tagged on the first row. Tap on tagged. We can either tap on the confirm button and verify our account, or use this confirmation code to verify our account. Here I am going to use the confirmation code. I am simply copying this code and I am going to paste it here. Tap on confirm. So that is how you can easily create an account on tagged. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful, and if it was, hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you do not miss our upcoming videos.